Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on Assetto Corsa, where today we'll be taking a look at the McLaren 600LT mod and my personal custom 600LT, which I call the CC49 edition, which is pretty cool. But pretty much what I've done with this 600LT is I've changed the colour of the flames because they come green and it doesn't look too nice, if I'm honest. So I've changed the colour of the exhaust. And towards the end of this video, I'll put a timestamp up right now of what time you can skip to watch how to get the flames to change colour, to change to this colour of this car in Assetto Corsa. So yeah, you just skip to the end and you can see that. But as you can see, is the 600LT. The car we'll be taking a look at. The 600LT CC49 edition has 800 horsepower, and if I go into the 360 view. Just give it a second, here we go. If I increase the rotation speed, when it swings around to the back, you will see that it has a different plate, because it comes with UK plates. So pretty much I've changed the plate, so that is a plate from Dubai, which is pretty cool. I like that quite a bit. So then if I escape there, we can get to driving the car, and I think for this video I won't drive, actually I'll probably drive this after the normal car, just to give you a bit of a comparison. But yeah, we'll go drive this car at, where should we drive it? Tempted to say Eastern Creek, so it probably will end up being Eastern Creek, but let's just try the Top Gear test track, because I haven't driven this track yet, so I'm interested too. Let me just set up my wheel cam, actually. As you can see, I've tried to make the hazards on the rear orange, but they've stayed green, like stock, for some reason, I don't know why. That's quite a lot. Let's give it a try, shall we? This won't be professional. On the screen right now, you should be seeing a replay of this. For me anyway. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is quickly change the paint colours on my CC49 edition 600LT, because they're still called red and black, but I want to change the names, so I'm going to come back to you when I've done that. Alright, so I've just done that, and now if we go in the CC49 edition 600LT, as you can see, CC49 red and CC49 black. Perfect. Just the way I like it. So we're going to have it in red. The reason I have it red and black is just take one look at my channel logo and you'll know why. So let's start on the Top Gear test track. Just saying, this car is extremely hard to control because of the 800 horsepower. You'd be surprised at how uncontrollable that makes it. Give it a drive. So the flame color is Alright, so that was the CC49 edition McLaren 600LT. So now what we're going to do is a bit of a tutorial video. So, if I just move my chair a bit forward, I'm going to show you how to change the color of the flame. So in the description below there should be a folder to QuickBMS, I'm pretty sure it's called, and yeah, it'll download a link, so it'll take you to a website where you can download, hang on, where is it? Go away, go away, go away. Where is it? It should be, yeah, here we go. So it should look like this when you extract it all, and yes, that's what you want. And then if you open a, just to mention, the 600LT that I've modded to have purple flames, and my 600LT, the CC49 edition, they will be linked below, so you can download them for yourself if you don't want to change the flame color yourself, because I know it can be a bit daunting for people new to modding and all. I am pretty new to modding. So pretty much if we go into 600LT, I'm just going to use the normal one for this. As you can see, they'll yours won't have this, but mine does because I've done it. Yeah, so pretty much what you want to do is, I'm going to have to demonstrate this with a different car because I don't have, pretty much I don't have the car with this data.acd file, so you want to make sure that you've found that file, that's there. So you want to have that open, right? I'm just going to do this with the Gambara Mirage GT. So pretty much what you want to do first, highlight all of these, drag them into this folder, right? Then you will want to launch QuickBMS, and then go, or you want to go find your car, of course. You want to go to cars, and then find the Mirage GT or the 600LT in your case. This may take a while considering. Oh, hang on, I can just do it here. Mirage. Here we go. So then you want to go extract. So then, after extract, you want to go to data.acd, okay? And then what you want to do is create a new folder by right-clicking, of course, going new, and then folder, and name it data, just like that. So then you want to open that and save it. And then you just want to press enter, and then if you go into your Mirage GT, you want to open data. All of this should be here. That's completely normal. And then after that, after you've established that that is there, what you want to do is, hang on, I just want to see. QuickBMS is completely empty. Okay. So after that's there, you want to delete data.acd. This is crucial because otherwise it'll read that. And then pretty much what you want to do now is just highlight these four, just drag them back into your folder for later use. And then what you can do is go into data, and then you want to go to flame preset, and you want to make sure you open it with Notepad++. Never mind, for some reason on the Mirage GT it doesn't open, but on the 600LT, now that I can show you because I've done that part of the video just fine. So if I go here, if I go to data and I go to flame presets, okay, here we go, this is what it should look like. Then you'll see this RGB thing right here, and the first three things just here, those are the that's the RGB, and pretty much what you can do to distinguish what you want to do is going to RGB color picker, that's the one. So pretty much what you can do is you can kind of do this, and it will show you the values. So right here, these are the values. So if you wanted the flames that I have right here, let's just say I wanted that. That would be the RGB thing that I would copy and then paste into here. So I'd remove that and paste that into there. So yeah, that's how to change them. You have to do it on all of these, which doesn't take too much time, but that's pretty much how you change the color of the flames. I will do a more in-depth video into changing other settings, such as the name of the car. So you have 600LT here, you can change the name of it and just all of that. But for now, that's just kind of a basic overview of that. So I hope that helped you. If it does, then yay, I did something. But if it doesn't, then I'm sorry. But I think that'll be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.